Hello, my last tutorial that I posted, I talked about crypto encryption. I explained what encryption are, I explained the benefits of encryption. So now I'm going to show you practically how to encrypt a file. Okay, so I'm going to encrypt a file, this file called, it is in Portuguese actually, algoritmo e programação. So let's go. So actually I'm going to just go to the LS so I'll be able to show you the tool we'll be using. Okay, so we'll be using this tool called, let me see, kind of. So we'll be using this tool here, okay, to be able to encrypt the file. So I'm gonna go into the directory. So I'm gonna copy because sometimes I'm very lazy to type. Okay. Kind of complicated to copy here. So I've copied, so I'm gonna go to the CD, just went into the directory of the tool we're gonna be using, and I'm gonna paste. Okay, pasted. Good. Now I'm in the directory of crypt. I don't know if the pronunciation is correct actually. So now I'm gonna do another code called chmod. Okay. Plus X. Then I'm gonna paste again. Then after I'm gonna do dot bash. So I'll be able to enter into the bash of the tool. So now I'm already in the bash of the tool. So now I'm gonna try to encrypt the file. So I'm gonna do dot. I'm gonna copy here. I told you. Sometimes I prefer to copy than to type. When you copy, it's actually more accurate than typing. So I'm gonna paste now. Okay, I'm gonna do dot bash encrypt. Then I'm gonna drag this file, the PDF file that I want to encrypt. I'm gonna drag it down. And why did I do that? Because I don't want to be looking for the location of the file. So when I drag it down, it gives me the actual location where the file is. It is more accurate. So it's telling me that the file is in the root, the desktop, and the name of the file, like I told you, is in Portuguese, algoritmo e programação .pdf. So if you actually want to see if the code works, so you will have to go into my TikTok account, you will find my Instagram or my YouTube. So you're gonna click on my Instagram link or my YouTube link, and you're gonna go straight to you will find a full video on my Instagram or my YouTube. Okay, that's where you will actually see the full video, where you'll be able to see if the code actually worked, if I was able to encrypt or not. Okay, continue. So I've done the code, everything is all right. So I'm gonna do enter. So it actually asks me for a password to be able to encrypt. So I'm gonna type the password for the encryption. It's a key, so it's the password is got an encryption key. When you type the password, it doesn't show the password for security, and it doesn't show anything like XXS, like dot dot dot. It doesn't show. So drop enter. So I'm going to type my password again to verify if the first password that I type with the second is the same. So I'm going to type my password again. So like I told you, it's not going to show the X or the dots as you normally type your password over in a normal platform like your email or other stuff. So after my password, I'm going to do enter. So done. So as you can see here, we have the encrypted file here, and we have the normal PDF file here. So if I open the normal PDF file, you'll be able to see. Okay, I'm going to open the PDF file. So I guess it's opening. Let's just wait a little. So as you can see, I was able to open the normal PDF file. Here it is. Like I told you, I'll go reach my programação. And this is the file. It's opened. So now I'm going to close the file now. Okay. So now I'm going to try to open the encrypted file. Oh, nothing happened. Nothing happened. So if I want to know the information inside this encrypted file, I will have to decrypt it. So that is what I have for you. Thank you very, very much. Goodbye.